In this video, I'm providing you with my top 3 strategies to boost your recruiting agency's online presence in 2022. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things recruiting. Gone are the days of flyers, business cards, and pretty much anything that you can touch physically. When it comes to your recruiting agency, your ability to stand out from all the other recruiting agencies that are out there really comes down to your online presence. So strategy number 1 is to make sure that you have a website. And I'm not talking just having a website for the sake of having a website. Really take the time to think about how you can leverage your website in terms of all the space that's on there in order to convey your value to potential clients. And pro tip, make sure that you have an About Me page with a picture of yourself. We are all human and we still want some form of a personal connection. You do not have to be the face of your company, but it is nice to know the face behind the company. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay. Strategy number 2 is to link your professional, personal LinkedIn page to your website and vice versa. Again, this just helps to check that box in terms of that personal connection, but it also helps to validate that your business is being ran by someone who's considered to be an expert in the field or that knows what they're doing. Remember, you can put whatever you want on your LinkedIn page. Now, I'm not encouraging you to lie, but make sure that you use this opportunity to really brag about all the things that you've accomplished. Use your LinkedIn page as a way to represent all of your experience. Again, it just gives your potential clients a look into the caliber of person that they're going to potentially be working with. Now, before we get into our third and final strategy, if you are enjoying this content so far, then be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Strategy number 3 is to leverage social media. And I know you're probably thinking that it's time consuming or not even worth the effort, but I cannot stress this enough. Social media is such a powerful tool. It gives you the opportunity to connect with so many different people from all different walks of life all throughout the world. I mean, if you take TikTok, for example, it really is amazing in how it drives organic traffic to your page, and then you being able to leverage that traffic to then drive it to your website. Not only can you use TikTok or any other social media platform in order to scope out potential clients, but you can also use it to scope out potential candidates as well. It creates this really great win-win situation overall. And personally, I'm still learning how to use social media to my advantage to this day. It's not going anywhere. It's going to be around for a while, so you might as well figure out how to use it in order to make you more money. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as I hope that you found these strategies to be helpful. If you plan on implementing at least one of them, then I want you to go down below in the comments and comment online 2022. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.